Good morning and welcome to Frank's School. This is a 6-year, 165th day first video, and it's part of the series Wood. That's called Dunnage. This is going to be a very short video, but while I still have it on the pickup truck, I thought I'd just show it because you might be able to relate to how much there is. They're just under 8 foot long, and they're called Dunnage because they go between stacks of lumber. They're basically 4 by 4 inches by 4 inches. Now what that spider's crawling on, that was in the pile too. But anyway, that amount of wood right there, a dunnage, cost me $20, which is actually 3 times the price of the last dunnage that I bought, but I used it all. The last time it was $20 a pickup truck load, and he said just take the rest because it was kind of a messy pile. So now there's no poison in it. You know, it hasn't been, it's not green, it doesn't have that copper stuff in it. And maybe some people wouldn't use it. Well, I don't use poisoned wood myself, and so there you are. Later, here and there, you'll see what I build with it. But that's kind of another matter. I just wanted you to see what it is and how cheaply it's available. Bye for now.